Hello Flutes, and welcome to your third guided music practice video. In today's lesson we are going to be learning our new note G and practicing that in our music. You will be successful when you can correctly identify and play and remember the fingers for a G. Open up to exercise 34, our sixth note. It says here what the G looks like and how to play it. Pause now and see if you can figure it out. So a G goes 1, 2, 3. It's 3 fingers. And it's kind of just like our F. Lift up that finger and so it'll sound a little bit higher. Play a G. And again. Pause and play a G 5 more times on your own. Now let's play F and then G. Ready? And then, and again, and again. Now try E flat, F, G. Pause and practice that 3 more times. Now do the same thing, D, E flat, F. And then G. And again, D, E, F, G. Do the same thing now with C and with B flat. Pause and practice. Now look at exercise 34 and notice where the G is. What space is it on? So can you see that it's on top of all of the notes, all of the lines, and the G is on top of the F as well. So we have in exercise 34, the first note G goes for 4 counts. G, 2, 3, 4. Try and do that now, counting to 4 in your head. Pause and practice that in your head. Pause and practice that. Now the next one, E flat and then F. Remember, E flat 2 counts, F 2 counts, like this. Pause and practice that. Now from the beginning, G, 2, 3, 4, E flat 2, F 2, and again, G, 2, 3, 4, E flat 2, F 2, and play it. Pause and practice that at least 3 more times on your own. And then see if you can work out the next 2 bars on your own. Pausing here. Sing in fingers for the last 2 bars. G, 2, F 2, G, 2, E flat 2, and again. G, 2, F 2, G, 2, E flat 2, and play it. Did you count them in your head while you played? Pause and practice it again, making sure that you do count. Now see if you can play the whole piece on your own, pausing here. Now let's check it and play it together. Pause and practice that 3 more times on your own. Now let's play it 1 more time with smart music. Pause and practice that again on your own. Rewind and repeat if you need to. Do you now know where the G sits in your music and what fingers you need to use to play it? Hopefully you do. And we're going to check by playing exercise 35, Twinkling Stars. Pause now and see if you can find all of the G's in Twinkling Stars. Now pause and name and do the fingers for all of the notes on your own. If you need to, do it in 1 bar or 2 bar chunks until you can make it easier and then join it together. Now let's do it together, singing in fingers from the beginning. B flat, F, F, G, G, F2. And again. B flat, F, F, G, G, F2. And now let's play it. Pause and practice that until it's easy. And then look at the next 2 bars, singing in fingers. E flat, D, D, C, C, B flat, 2. And again. E flat, D, D, C, C, B flat, 2, and play it. Pause and practice that at least 3 more times. See if you can do it 5 more times in a row correctly though. Now look at the next 2 bars, singing in fingers. F, F, E flat, D, D, C, 2, keep going. F, F, E flat, D, D, C, 2. Let's do those 4 bars again. You'll notice that they're exactly the same as each other. F, F, E flat, D, D, C, 2. F, F, E flat, D, D, C, 2. And play them. And pause and practice it on your own. And now looking at the last 4 bars, can you see any other 4 bars that are exactly the same as the last 4 bars? Look at the beginning. Can you see that the first 4 bars have the same notes and rhythms as the last 4 bars? Pause now and see if you can play the first 4 bars and the last 4 bars on your own. Now see if you can join the whole song together. Now let's play the whole thing together nice and slowly, making sure that we've got all the notes right and that we're counting while we play. Pause and practice that slowly as many times as you can until you feel like it's super easy and you can play it faster. Now let's do it again just a little bit faster if you're ready. If you're not ready, play it again slower until it's easy enough to go a bit faster. Pause and practice as much as you need to. If you have smart music available, see how fast you can get Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, making sure that you're playing all the right notes. If you need extension, keep going further down that page and see how far you can get on your own. Now let's review how you went in today's lesson. Do you now know what a G looks like on your music? Do you now know which fingers you need to use to play the G? How did you go playing all of those notes today in Twinkle Twinkle Little Star and Sounds New? Let me know if I went too fast, and keep practicing, send me those smart music assignments, and keep up the good work and happy practicing.